Hello guys, today I will introduce you how to install our latest version of Activator. Current version is 112.0 and you can download our latest version from our official website. Here, you see our latest Activator and the installation The installation process will be run automatically at the first time you run our activator. The things you must do is just wait for a second. Yeah. Do nothing, just wait. After process done, you can see this is version 112.0. Use test service to check. Very simple. As you can see, our latest version will be more simple than the old one. And if you got any problem with our activator, just press install of that API here. And this action will delete all data. Activator will close and you just need to rerun it. And wait from the first step until the role is done. Yeah. Everything is okay. Hope you have fun with our modified application. Thanks for using our mod.